So right now, there's not a lot of great tooling out there specifically for the process that we use. So like what's kind of really available is just like glorified pencil and paper, like the software that gives you pencil and paper. Like Matt said, the main asset that we're creating is a flow diagram, and so we do that in a diagramming software. Mostly we use Miro, which is just like kind of an open collaborative diagramming tool. I've used Sketch and Figma for this as well, like anything that you can put, you have an empty, open, big canvas. Other ones like Mural, Draw.io is a free one, completely free, and a lot of them have free to sign up or free to use, lightly. So definitely check those out. Creating the diagrams. We use like a diagramming language that's consistent, that always uses the same shape for like a user utterance, and a shape for a branching point in the conversation, shapes for, the kind of final response. And so we just kind of keep that consistent. And then Google Docs is a really great one. The other side to conversational flows is the sample scripts that are a major part of that. So sample scripts usually correspond with a flow, but they're kind of just a singular linear view of it. And we work on sample scripts a lot to test, to read aloud what we're doing back and forth. So just typing out in Google Docs is kind of the best we have at the moment. And we're actually working on our own tool to solve a lot of these problems for designers who are looking to create a specification of what a conversational design should be that they can hand over to developers. That's better than kind of just like a huge document of flow diagrams and scripts that are not connected to each other. And you should definitely follow us to hear more about that. We'll be talking about that a lot more this fall. And we're really excited to put it out there because it solves a lot of the conversational tooling problems that we've had.